What's going on? So today we got a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is Chaos Erupts After Burger King Employees Get Into a Fight. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're actually talking about here.
Back up, everybody. We got the Big Mac family pack fighting each other, and one of them just rolled up with a knife.
Wait. Hey, walk over here.
Your baby needs you. Your kids needed you. You failed.
Walk over there.
And you failed.
Walk over there.
Why you hoe and take one to know what? You deadbeat ass mama. You.
What happened?
You.
What happened?
You wish.
You serious? Go over there.
That's her mom?
Why you put DCF on your phone? Yeah. You trying to get my. Yo, I'm sick.
Stop.
Yeah.
Please wait. Please. PTSD. You can't do that. Please.
Oh, now you want to talk calm. Now you want to talk like you got some common sense. Please, I got PTSD. Niggas don't want to hear that. Come on. And now all of a sudden everybody got everything. PTSD, insomnia. Niggas got motherfucking, what's the other shit? Anxiety. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on, man. Get out of here with that. Niggas don't want to hear that shit.
Right, you want me to get arrested?
Put your hands behind your back now.
Get her together.
Put your hands behind your back.
Babe, I'm good. Can you stop rushing up on me, sir?
Hey, you don't tell me what to do. First of all,
Ooh.
Ben told you to leave.
Yeah, get up out of
I
here.
don't give a damn.
It don't matter. I want to press charges because you hit me with a broom.
Stand
and
up.
I wasn't doing shit
Hey.
to her. I need help.
Stand up.
I need help.
Stand up.
Help. How I'm supposed to know that, right? Because my mama want me to get arrested, right?
Go to the passenger side of my
Right?
Man, that's her mom?
Side?
passenger side. Thank you.
It doesn't matter. She came out here trying to fight me. She came out here trying to fight me. Like, what the you want my baby taken away from me that bad?
Take a seat, friend. We're gonna sort this all out. Just take a seat.
You want my like, really? They always get a call about us.
Who?
That ain't no surprise. That ain't no surprise. This is why I say it all the time. Moms and daughters? No. For the most part, they don't be getting along until they get older. I mean, they obviously look older and stuff like that too, but typically the older you get, the better the relationship becomes. But daughters typically get along better with the fathers, and sons typically get along better with the mothers. You know what I'm saying? So it's vice versa. Mommy, daddy's girl, mommy's boy. You know what I'm saying? Type shit. So it doesn't surprise me that this is a mother-daughter fight.
What is going on? Run me
You want to see the video?
Sure. All I'm trying to do is figure out what's going on. Everybody wants to start trying to fight each other.
My mama, Renata Brown, Renata Rogers Brown.
I know-
Yeah,
I know
you can tell her
Renata.
this too.
So why are we here? What happened?
Whatever, I don't give a what you talking about.
Is that your hand? Her hand?
Yeah, this is my hand right here.
What happened? No? Oh.
My two sisters was laughing. My two sisters.
Hold on.
He just got out from warts and he need to shut his ass up when he beat up my daddy. Don't nobody care what he talking about. The same who crashed her.
Bernardo, I'm going to come talk to you in just a second.
I don't give a damn what you tell Stupid. Look, that rock in her hand. I'm the manager that's working here tonight.
I'm going to come talk to you.
Hold on, babe.
I'm going to come talk. I told you, I'm just going to come talk to you. Hold on. Give me 2 seconds.
Hold on, babe.
None of the officers were able to make sense of what was going on, and they had no idea that it was only going to get more chaotic.
So, you're Renata's daughter. Who's she?
Yes, Renata's daughter.
Okay, cool.
They was fighting. Y'all
My
can check
goodness.
all the cameras in Burger King
And
if y'all
all of
want.
y'all work here.
Yes, we all do. Him, me, her, and her. Y'all can check all the cameras if y'all want and see what it is. Hello? Period. Not in the back of the police car. sitting there with the disrespect. Have to be out talking shit.
What happened?
Come on, let's go. Let's go. We at work. Come on. Let's go. We at work. Ain't nothing to talk about. Talk to them. Let's go. You fucking tripping. Sorry, but we going into work. I bet we at work.
2045. Bro, I'm being calm.
Coming into work. Let's go.
She think that work is more important than talking about what the police.
Yo.
This is the.
Open that goddamn.
Is she nuts?
Why are you doing that?
I will break your door. Open up the door. Open up the door. I am going to break your door open. Open up the door.
They trying to detain.
I am going to break the door open. Open up the door.
Why
She's going to jail and the other one's getting detained.
We all need jobs. Why y'all do this?
Open the door.
And I kept telling her, no, let's go. Calm down.
Oh man, the owner of this McDonald's should be.
I kept trying to tell her.
I know he
I'll watch the other
pissed.
side. Are you gonna open it? Are you gonna open it?
Traffic again.
Are you gonna open it? Okay, well we're gonna.
This what it has to be. I don't know.
Check the other door. Let's see if we can get in this place, please.
And I think I was coming out, but it's like at the end of the day, they don't hurt you.
Oh, she's running and closing that one.
They're both going to jail.
They both going to jail. Come on, man. Look. Why they do this?
Can you please just have back up for me though?
Okay,
Like out here by my car.
002, you need Martin
They
County?
playing with the police. Like, why y'all playing with the police, man? Nah, they hurt y'all.
So the one with the backpack pulled out a knife on them and tried to fight them and tried to stab them. Renata's keeping us from obtaining that.
It wasn't long before officers discovered an alternate entry and made their way into the kitchen.
Rear door's open. Get in here now. One person stay up front. One with me. Renata and her.
You say her?
Don't sit here and touch me. Don't sit here and touch me. Don't sit here and fucking touch me. No, it's me. It's not. What are you talking about? No, it ain't. Don't sit here and touch me. Stop. Don't take me. Come on. Take me here. Please stop. No.
Boy, these some heavyweights, boy.
Alright, take her out. Take her out.
Come on. Don't fight. Go. You got it.
Wait, I got on. Damn, you gonna make me bust my damn.
That's the manager dressed like that. First of all, who the fuck hired the whole goddamn family? The whole the sisters, the mom, everybody worked there. Man, the owner, listen, the owner of this Burger King better get they shit together, dog. Because he ain't got a clue what's going on inside his shit, man.
So what am I? Wait, why we gotta go in the car? Wait,
Trying to figure everything out, but we need to get in the car.
just for now, no, because let me.
Can I just stand right here?
Nope, get in the car.
Because when y'all put people in the car, they don't come out. Like I'm dead serious.
Put
put your camera on. I would rather camera.
Get in the car.
Stand.
Get in the car.
Why?
Why do you have to make this more difficult than it is?
Why am I want to know. Y'all said y'all
Because
trying to
you're
figure
going to
out what's
jail.
going. For what? For what?
You're resisting.
You a damn lie.
Yeah, because
You're a lie.
Okay.
You're a lie.
Just kidding.
No, I'm getting in. You don't have to push me in.
You're not getting it. We've not actually like.
But damn, you know I'm a big girl. I gotta need help getting in. Goddamn now. Come on now. Come on, help me out.
Oh, now you want help?
Well, you don't need your help.
Oh boy, talk about mental health.
Put your foot in.
How am I supposed to?
There you go. It's uncomfortable, I know.
After detaining Mama Renata and her baby girl, the officers checked security cameras to understand the entire incident.
What am I getting arrested for?
I'm trying to explain to you, but you kept screaming at me.
Okay.
You were trying to detain her. When you lock the... Hold on. When you lock the door and prevent us from doing that, you're impeding our investigation.
You never gave me instructions to open the door. Why are you doing that?
I will break your door. Open up the door. Open up the door. I am going to break your door open. Open up the door.
They trying to detain.
Police insider, y'all funny, dog.
Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't.
Literally 20 times.
No, you didn't.
That's a ridiculous game to play.
No, you
We don't
didn't.
have it
I'm
all
not.
on
I'm a
video.
grown woman. I don't need to play this. Yeah, hurt me. Hurt me.
Stop.
Cause almost hurt me.
Can you sit in the car, please? Can you sit in the car, please? I'm gonna ask you one more
So
time.
you.
She said, I'm a grown ass woman. I don't need to play games. 1 second later, playing games. Oh my, you can't make this shit up. You can't help these people. I'm telling you.
Y'all taking me to
I'm gonna
jail.
ask you one more time.
So y'all taking me to jail.
I'm sorry I gotta come out here and deal with this. Like,
Oh, you're good.
this is my family, but they just like a little crazy. They a little retarded.
You two
We're
are
all
sisters.
sisters. We're all sisters.
Renata's
That's
your
our
mom?
mom. Yes.
What is going on? What's the beef here between with the family? Like what?
Like, it's just us and this I don't know.
You don't know? Is it just? I'm hearing like when you guys come to work, there's a lot of like smack talk, and then you separate.
Yeah,
is that
but
accurate?
that's just what we do as sisters.
Okay.
It's not.
Not with
literally,
Renata.
No.
So Day was just different with Renata.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cause we was arguing, and then she came back, and next thing you know, everybody was fighting. There was everywhere.
Okay.
I don't know.
It just went chaos, huh?
Yeah.
Is that from them, like, arguing?
Yeah.
All that garbage?
Yeah, they throwing stuff. They throwing stuff at each other, hitting each other with everything. That's why.
Plus, they fought, too.
Yeah,
Are they related?
yeah, they all sisters.
The officers realized that no one in particular could be blamed for the entire incident and decided to arrest all of them.
And the other one had walked out, but then she came back in and started screaming at her.
And she's trying to break it up.
She started to break. She tried to break it back free.
So at this point, it hasn't really gotten, like, physical yet.
I didn't have the kids.
Oh. Now they start throwing stuff at each other?
And I started throwing stuff at each other.
I'm going to jail too. Can I at least call somebody?
Hold on 1 second.
She is too.
Yeah, everybody.
And we're going why?
We'll explain it all in a second.
What I'm saying, we were defending ourselves.
We didn't see the video, so I can't tell you. I've been outside with you. I got here 5 minutes ago, so
This is crazy, man. Why am I going to jail? Literally, she pulled the
So
taser on me.
the officer that's watching the video is going to come out and explain everything to everybody. The officer just told me that based on the video, he wanted to detain you off of what he's seeing. And I don't know what that is, and he's going to come out and talk to you, fill you in on everything, okay?
Let me go home tonight like that. That's it.
I don't know what's going on right now, but when I get a call, if I do get locked up, I'm gonna call you, okay? They was looking at the videos. I don't know, babe. Just please be calm, okay? Down to the jailhouse. Oh my God. All right, calm down.
okay, I'm hanging this up.
Hey, calm down.
Oh no.
Mama Renata and her 3 daughters were charged with resisting arrest without violence, and the 16-year-old was additionally charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon without intent to kill. YouTube thinks you'll love.
You can't make this shit up. Tell me this family is set up for success in life. Even the 16-year-old, god damn. The apple don't fall far from the tree. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes your parents could be model citizens or whatever the case may be, and then the kids are the ones that go astray. But they're all a fucking train wreck, okay? So whatever. I think the officers did a good job trying to control the situation as best as they could. I give them 5 out of 5, man, for being able to find the back window or the back door, come in, you know, restrain them and this and that. Man, that's so chaotic. So they did a good job, man. How well do you think the officers did? Let me know in the comment section, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam, 2K shit that get a nigga lean.